therapists, occupational therapists, or teachers are specially trained to support kids that have very unique behavioral and medical kind of needs. We have a lot of nurses on staff. We have a lot of people that work here that have expertise around behavior. And so that's how we're supporting kids here, is just individualizing their program to give them exactly what they need. I would describe Rachel as just a very unique learner, a very unique child. Rachel's very complex in her sensory needs and her behavioral needs with both Down syndrome and autism, both as they work together, those different disabilities. That's a very unique situation that you have to program for.
Create something for a child like Rachel that needs her own space, and her room right now is just not conducive to that. It's very, closets filled with a bunch of things, and she doesn't have a lot of ways to entertain herself. So coming up with different ideas is just excellent for what Rachel needs. The need for more sensory things to kind of help her stimulate, and also have a place for her to kind of go and relax and color and draw.